Hey, Jeff at Sweet Sounds, Mankato, Minnesota. Just finished up working on both of these vehicles. Great customer brought these in. It's a 22 CanAm Defender Limited and a brand new 2024 GMC 3500HD. Came in to get some window film done. Of course, this time of the year, everybody's getting their side-by-sides out, enjoying some of those trails. With the bright summer sun, with that much glass on one of these things, it gets to be really difficult to see and uncomfortable, especially if you have any eye vision problems or anything. This customer wanted something that was more comfortable to drive in, so we applied the top of the line Autobahn ceramic i3. That's a multi-layer nano-ceramic film, top line film, the best you can get. Did a 20% film on the back three, so the two side window, the four side windows and the back glass. Then we did a 50% on the windshield in addition. So looks fantastic. It's gonna make for such a more comfortable ride. The Autobahn ceramic i3 film, excellent film. Fantastic scratch coat on there, much more durable than most other films. Amazing clarity on there, and really one of the best warranties in the industry. If you're asking about that, give us a call. We can kind of go over that. And then on his truck, we did all the way around on that one also. A little bit lighter film in the front, a little bit darker in the back there also. And that also received the Autobahn ceramic i3, and that again is a 2024 brand new GMC 3500 HD. If you are looking at getting some work done, you need to get some window tint done on your truck, your SUV, your car. I've had some really cool cars in the last couple of weeks too. Brand new C8 Vet, Mercedes AMG we did the other day. I'll get some photos out of those things too. So give us a holler, 507-345-8863. Check us out our website, sweetsounds.com.